Hello, my name is Christelle, I'm French and I currently live in Rennes, in Brittany, in the northwest of France. But right now I'm in Le Mans and this is day 1 of a 17 days trip. Earlier this afternoon I took a bus from Rennes to Le Mans. Then the local tramway, and a bit of walking to reach my accommodation. So I'm on the second floor, and there are 2 doors, and they are both mine. So that is the bedroom there. With a little bit of a view, and the second room is also mine, and it's basically the living area. So I've got table to eat, bathroom, kitchen, fridge, a lot of comics. That's going to be fantastic. I went out again to buy some dinner in a little supermarket because I'm on a budget. Then back to the apartment, and now here I am. So let me tell you a little bit more about the city of Le Mans. So Le Mans is part of the region called Pays de la Loire and part of the department of la Sarthe. So there are actually 2 rivers crossing Le Mans, l'Huisne and la Sarthe, and actually my accommodation is not too far away from la Sarthe. Okay, so that's great, but now I want to tell you a bit more about this entire trip. As I said earlier, it's going to last for 17 days, but obviously I'm not going to spend all of them in Le Mans. So just stay for a few days in Le Mans, and then a few days in Tours, a few days in Poitiers, and then finally a few days in Angers. I wanted to visit these cities, but the train or bus tickets are not always cheap, especially for the cities further away from Rennes. And it's not necessarily cities where I want to spend an entire week. So that way I'm saving a lot on transportation and I'm exploring a lot of new places too, only for a few days every time. We've got all the Asterix there. We have Gaston. What's that? Ah yeah, that's Ricochet. Ricochet. I think that's Lucky Luke. Yeah. Tintin. Chic Bill. I don't know this guy. That's older, I think. Alright, so I haven't seen much of Le Mans for now because I only arrived at like 4 or 5 p.m. and then just went to the accommodation. But from what I've seen until now, it seems to be like a cute little city. Very nice. So yeah, I can't wait to discover it more tomorrow. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye!